Welcome to Market Guru. I'm your friend Raghu. Let's talk about market view for tomorrow and understand how market followed our levels for today and how was our day today. So let's start with the Nifty and Bank Nifty first. Then we will discuss about some basic price action and levels. Before that, if anybody would have not subscribed my Telegram channel, please go and subscribe Telegram. In that you will get lot of calls and understanding on the market, where basically you will understand how market works and timely update on entry and exit of the levels. Secondly, you can check my YouTube channel and please subscribe and hit like button. And let's start about market now. So Nifty, basically this is all yesterday's level what I given, and exactly Nifty followed our levels properly, and yeah, I understand market was very choppy, but still we were about to make a good profit in our hero zero calls. And if I'm showing you a Bank Nifty also followed exactly our levels, whatever the levels given yesterday in a YouTube channel. So market went high, came down, took a support, again broke the support and hit all the targets whichever was given. So let's start talking about Nifty now. I'll remove all the drawings first. So now right now what I'm seeing in the global market is doing amazingly good. If you observe German market and UK market, Europe market, basically market is above the levels before the war. So it is basically indicating that market is very bullish, and you can see all global markets are going in a very good uptrends. So let me open a 15-minute candle here for Nifty, and what I can see here, if Nifty is opening tomorrow above 17,342 to 17,352, so this is basically a range what I was looking for, where I want to see that if market is going in this range. So where I was first target would be upwards is the first bigger target. Let's talk 17,367, 17,385. This is a very big swing high. Second upper target is 17,443. What I want to say here to everyone, that the moment market gives 17,440, that is a very big resistance what market is getting. Every time market is giving a lower level from this level only, and the moment this level breaks, we can see 17,600, and the upper side target is 17,700 maybe this week. So what if market is going down? Then we might have to see if market is breaking today's low, which is 17,236. If it is a breaking low, then we can see a downside movement of the first support is around 17,209, and third support is around 17,157, and the final support may be tomorrow. For tomorrow market should bounce back from here, which is 17,129. so this is the targets for tomorrow, and I am not putting any price labels here because I want you to study this. It is not just follow someone's levels. I want you to study this, put these levels in your charts and try to do a paper trading and understand if market is opens about 17,352. Take a paper trading, take 17,350 CE call and see if market is moving as per the levels. So maybe sometime what happens, market will go test this level and come down, because market will never go in one single way. Market always go up and down movements, like a zigzag movements. And I want to say everyone that trade very carefully, because expiry is there. If anybody is new, I suggest do only paper trading to understand this. Once you understand the levels, then you can trade as a pro trader. Coming to Bank Nifty followed all our levels. Let me delete all drawings. Let me open 15-minute candle here, because basically in intraday for understanding levels we always do 15 minutes candle. In a 15-minute range, what I can see, there are a lot of resistance and support ahead, but what I think that market will give a amazing bounce because world market is giving a good Q. Market should open a gap up between these levels, so please make a note and see tomorrow whether market is opening in this level or not, because exactly whatever I told you today, yesterday, market followed my levels. From last many months or years, market is following my levels. But I just started this mentorship program where I can teach everyone how to mark levels and how to trade accordingly. So if market is opening above 36076 and our first target would be the first resistance, which is 36277, we have a bigger target. So the next target is around 36561 and the final target would be 36827. If market is about to break 36827, then we can see 37,000, 37,200. These are the very important PCR supports, which is PCR matlab some it is a put call ratio support basically, and some people follow pivots and some people follow PCRs. But what I do, I just play completely based on the price action. Sorry. So what happens here, when we play according to the price action, market will respect our price action because entire market is based completely on the price action. If market is going down, then we can see below this level, this is very important support, which is 35807. Below this level, what we can see, the first target would be 35620, which is a 200 point target, and third target would be very small target, again 538, and the bigger swing low target, which is a today's low. If market is breaking 35024, which is yesterday's low, then we can see bigger down move till back to 34802. So this is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now I would like to give you a simple and a small analysis how to read charts. So let me open one of the stock which I can tell you how the price action works, because it is all about price action. We don't see any fundamental analysis of any stocks or some other tool where we will use a lot of screeners, understand RSI, understand lot of things. I want everyone to start with the basics, which is basic is very important, which is the price action. So let's see Indian Hotel, which I had given today morning also call in my Telegram group, where I given a chart, and the chart was working very fine, and there was perfectly market was respecting our levels. I'm very sorry, my internet is slow, so I'm still in a place where I don't have a proper internet. So I'll go tomorrow back to Bangalore. So Sunday or Saturday you might get some amazing price action videos and lot of other new elements where we can learn lot of things. So this was my today's morning chart, what I had given very clearly, that I had told everyone that this was a trend line what Indian Hotel is preparing, and this was a resistance 237. If 237 it breaks, it will give you a big bounce. And I had given a clear cut cash call also here. So what happened in a day? So in this is a daytime trend line. Once we go to the 15 second is not there, we will put 5-minute range and we will see how the 5-minute range it worked. Market was exactly on our levels, and sorry for that, and this was my trend line what I had drawn. You can observe something here. The moment it gave a breakout and it sustained above the breakout, this is what is very important of the closure of the candle, which has to be above the breakout. Now it is closed above the breakout, and you can see it gave a jump from 238. If your entry would have been in 238, so let me see if you are going for a long position, which is basically from this side. So your reward ratio would have been good because your stop loss would have been in a on a breakout level, and you got risk reward ratio is 7:1, which is amazing money. It is like a 2780 rupees for 50 pieces. So quantity is around 627. It is for intraday. So this is how you have to understand how the price action works. In a price action you can trade anything. Please watch my YouTube. I had given one of the strategy, and soon I will start a lot of other strategies. That's all friends, and please subscribe and hit like button. uh, Whenever you are hitting a like button, that is a amazing motivation for us. So where we will see more likes, and we will come up with lot of new element, new strategies, new studies, new materials for you, where you can learn and earn slowly. I don't say that you will become a millionaire overnight. It is all about mindset. So start from low, start from small, and go a tiny steps. One fine day you will become a pro trader. Cool then guys, please subscribe Telegram channel. Link is in description. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching my video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.